back to Mrs. Garry. So right here you're seeing mangoes, and these mangoes came from Costco. These are really good mangoes as well, but I think nothing beats the mangoes from the Philippines. Yesterday my mom sent me a picture of the mangoes that actually came from our own trees, mango trees. I sent those pictures to my husband, and my husband thought that I was making mango float, and he came home only to find out that there wasn't really any mango float. And today, since we actually had the mango, it happens that we went to Costco the other 2 days, and so I'm gonna make him mango float. And this is my way of making. Instead of using the Nestle cream from the Philippines, I'm gonna be using this mayonnaise and the condensed milk right here. So mayonnaise, because I think it's a lot less price. We can also find Nestle cream here in the US, but they're a little spendy for a very small can. I think it's about $3 something. And I have right here the graham crackers and also a Ziploc, because I'm gonna crush some of this graham crackers. They say graham crackers here. I always say graham. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show to you how I make my mango float. Okay, so let's just go ahead and pour in our condensed milk. So I'm not gonna have any exact amount of this stuff right here. These are actually of that right there. So I'm just gonna make use of what I have left over. That's it. Set it aside. So now what we're gonna do, we'll do this first. The crushed grams at store, it's a little more spendy, and if I buy just this, I can just crush them at home. That's it. There you go. Peeling off your mango. So I'm just gonna peel 2 of these mangoes. We're just gonna have to fillet the mango. I like to cut them as thin as I can. I'm taking my time on this. This is the only part that is time consuming, and also you have to be very, very careful on this, because of course your knives are so sharp. I used to work in a environment where, you know, there's a lot of knives. We make tools and stuff like that, and since then I became really very cautious around knives. So I made a rule in the kitchen that if I see a knife blade, it has to be the first to be put away, washed and put away, because I don't want to see it there and accidentally touch it or anything like that, because our hands are so precious. Without our hands, man, we feel like can't do anything. All right, so that's done, and as I say, we'll go ahead and wash our knives and put away. Now the fun part is the assembling part. So I'm gonna be using this container right here. This is actually a date container, like this right here from Winco as well. I liked it because it is so square and perfect for my husband and I. One for my husband and one for me. And that's how I am becoming over here when I moved to the US. I started to eat like the same amount as my husband. That's just how it goes. So what I just try to do is put this first. My graham crackers first. Yeah, so it really depends on how you assemble it. They're all gonna turn out good later anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my mango. My mangoes. Ooh, that looks good. Yum yum. There you go. Okay. Give it a little drip. I normally, oh, not normal. I don't really have a normal thing of doing this because since I don't do this all the time. And it's like putting hollow blocks, right? Okay. Nah. Put it like that. And then just press it down with your cover. There you go. Now it's ready to put to the refrigerator. That's how easy it is. And I'll show you later when it is all cold. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Guess what? What else I made?
What else did you make?
Guess what?
Oh.
Oh.
I don't know. Adobo? No. I don't know.
You guess.
Bread.
That's the bread.
Soup. No. No soup.
I made yesterday.
Okay.
Mung bean soup.
Yeah. I don't know. A video.
No.
What is that?
Ball.
Did you make a ball?
No.
Oh, okay.
So, you cannot guess?
No.
Open the refrigerator.
So how many did you make? There's only one left. You
Yes.
gave away how many?
No, I didn't give anything.
Oh, you froze
I only
it?
made a goblet, so you can have some.
Hooray.
Yay! I haven't tried it, so you're gonna try it. Because as usual, you are who?
Who?
The guinea pig, you said. Okay, let's sit down and have
Okay.
some.
Now watch my hands. Because it looks like I'm going to have to use my hands.
You will be. Because you were disappointed yesterday. I didn't make you some. So I decided to use my spatula. Yeah, just hold on. I want to grab, if I can.
You can do it.
It does not do
You
it.
can do it.
Maybe a spoon, huh?
Maybe a spoon, yeah.
Maybe a spoon will do. Dun, 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 dun.
All right.
Nice.
All right.
All right. So, hold on, baby. I will be with you.
You're going to be with me.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Hold on. Poke your face there.
Poke my face.
Okay.
All right.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. That's how a guinea pig sounds. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I need to sit with you.
You need to sit with me.
Yeah.
Mm. Come and sit.
Okay, so of course you already kind of know how that one tastes like. But let me try this one too.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's your favorite, right? But you already had that. I mean, how about try this tuna pie?
Okay.
You might try this too.
Bodine's tuna pie.
Bodine's tuna pie.
It looks like it's made out of bread.
It is.
Oh, good.
Did you, right? It's basically kind of like, not basically, kind of like, it's like how you make your tuna sandwich, except you fry it. Yeah, with eggs and breadcrumbs. So yeah, it's still very good.
It is. It's really good.
Right.
A little bit of cheese with it.
Yeah. That is so good.
Look at this.
Oh, it is.
Wow.
Thank you, neighbors, for watching. You have a beautiful day and bye.
Bye.